Hello. Miss Ju, I always say ni hao to greet people. Is that right?
Well, ni hao sounds better. Ao is what we call a compound final. We've already learned 6 simple finals in Pinyin, and in this video, we will learn some compound finals composed of them, which start with a, or, e. Here is the first one. George, would you like to try?
Sure. I.
A plus E is not correct. Don't simply pronounce one final after another. There should be a gradual transition from the first final A into the second final E, I. For example, I means love. 我爱你, I love you. Let's put I after an initial to make a syllable. 摸I, 买. Ow. The same way, open your mouth widely and then gradually transition into O. Ow. For example, 摸袄, 猫. An, here is just nasal sound. An. Your tongue should touch the upper gum to finish the pronunciation. An is not correct. An. For example, 呢安难. The sound is made in the back of your mouth. Open your mouth to form a bigger space at the back and retract your tongue. For example, 破昂胖. Now let's practice more finals. O, on, a, n, Okay, now let's practice some syllables. 和蔼海 for on 房 go 狗 You can also find when we pronounce I, A, ow, O, the first vowel sounds louder and longer. We refer to this as the main vowel. When a syllable has 2 or more vowels, the tone should be marked on the main vowel. For example, I, the tone should be marked on A. George, have you got it?
That's quite complicated.
Don't worry, practice makes perfect. How about reading these syllables after me?
Okay, I'll try my best.
了凹老
Lao,
可安看
can,
了翁龙
long,
for a 飞
fei.
Every syllable we practiced before has its own meaning. But in modern Chinese, words normally consist of 2 syllables. Let's practice some. 蛋糕
蛋糕
米饭
米饭
Great! You're progressing well. Now, use what you learned to practice more.
Thanks. I will. See you.
See you!